Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 10th of November. Hey, you know what happened Saturday? It's Storm Alert Extreme. Obviously, you're a weather weenie if you watch these videos. And if by chance you've not had Skywarn training, you need to come. If you've had Skywarn training, you need to come. We encourage everybody to be retrained once a year and be at the BJCC during the Alabama International Auto Show. Start at 9, get out at 2. Go to the car show free if you come. No need to register. Just show up. Get there early to get a good seat. Brian Peters will be speaking. I will be there. J.B. Elliott, the world's greatest weatherman, will be there. He'll be speaking. It'll be a great day, and we hope to see you there. We only do it once a year, so there. All right, we'll look at some of the Skycam shots this morning. First off, a look at downtown Tuscaloosa. That's the intersection of University Boulevard and Greensboro Avenue on a clear, cool morning. There's the lights of the city of Gadsden and downtown Jasper at 5 o'clock. Look at the trough out west, taking on somewhat of a negative tilt, but there's not a lot of moisture, thank goodness. Otherwise, you might see some big storms, but that's not going to happen, at least we think. And it's pretty cold, colder than guidance. Most of the statistical guidance had us in the low 40s, and Birmingham's at 42. But again, that thermometer's been running very warm lately for some reason. Most folks are in the 30s. 36 for Haleyville and Gadsden, 37 for Anniston and Alexander City. Even Montgomery is sitting at 39. But like yesterday, we'll warm very quickly into the 70s today. Look at that. Pretty interesting. You can see a trough ridge trough type thing over the country with very cold air back in that western trough with teens where they've had some snow in the mountains. See the surge of southerly flow from Texas up to Minnesota where it's pretty mild, and then you've got the cold air over the east that we are in. But despite the big trough coming out of the Rockies, not much happening weather-wise. Very quiet on the watch warning map, just a few scattered winter weather advisories for the mountains out west. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through the weekend. This is valid through Sunday evening at 7. Heaviest rain from near Oklahoma City up to Marquette, Michigan, with a bullseye over Kansas. And you can see a little bit maybe over North Alabama, but not much. And that would be with any scattered showers on Sunday. And again, the better rain opportunity would be just after the weekend for us early next week, as you'll see. And the tropics are quiet, as you might expect. Getting late in the season. We're winding things down. Weak disturbance over Puerto Rico, but not much happening elsewhere. This is the OZGFS, Global Forecast System, computer model guidance. And again, you can see the big trough out west. And around here, ridging, winds aloft are light, beautiful day. Really much like yesterday. If you liked the weather yesterday, you'll love it today. Both the NAM and the GFS are showing 77. Same thing tomorrow. 40s early in the day, 70s by afternoon, and Friday, once again, we'll be in great shape. Highs low and mid-70s on Friday. Now, Saturday starting off the weekend, a part of the western trough lifts out to the Great Lakes. A part of it hangs back. And down below that lead wave kind of drags a cold front through just to the west of here, and that's suggesting on Saturday a chance of showers for Memphis and Greenwood, Mississippi, and Vicksburg. But it looks like the day will be dry. And then Sunday, the front eases in here and just fizzles out. And so, again, we might mention a chance of a shower Saturday night or Sunday, but rain should be light and spotty. Now, Monday of next week, the western trough re-energizes, and that will give us better dynamic support. Down below that, you can see rain breaks out on a more widespread basis. And by Monday night, that rain should be widespread. And this is suggesting we pick up an inch of rain here. And by golly, we'll take that. And it's a good kind of rain. The surface low is south of us, so no severe weather, just a cool rain. And Tuesday, the rain begins to taper off. So that's our next good rain event early next week, Monday and Tuesday. And Wednesday, that's on by, and we are dry and cool, but nothing extremely cold. Now, a few days later on the 20th, again, pure model madness here, and the confidence remains low. It's an incredible vortex up there over the Northwest Territories of Canada, very cold up there, but look at the flow down here. It's zonal. Instead of a high amplitude, very cold look, now all of a sudden The cold air is bottled up north, and that is brutally cold up there, but it won't be allowed to drop south if by chance this is right. And then on the 25th, it's the same thing. The flow is zonal. Cold air locked to the north, the impulse coming through, and that would be wet. And really looking at the North Atlantic Oscillation, that bottom chart down there, it's really kind of neutral. So, if that were to spike strongly negative, you would think we'd see a big flood of cold air, but the NAO forecast kind of maybe goes along with the zonal thing, and it's not that cold. So, again, model madness. Models are all over the board. That's why it's voodoo country out there. We'll just have to wait and see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.